much that you have given a very nice, nice layout of the program.
Thank you, sir.
But I just would like to add here from my practical experience last with the national camps.
Yes, sir.
That you have much you can given a little more concept for the Bulgarian.
Yes, sir. So it is actually it is not the example. It is the guidelines we can see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because the young coaches listening to you may good. I would like to here add that Bulgarian system is not suitable for us. I can give you the examples that from 60 to 80 or 88 onwards, this Bulgarian method worked, and I don't know, they won many medals in the Olympics, but after 88, there were many coaches in the Asian and the African circuit from Bulgaria, but I don't know, then they were all kicked out of Asia, kicked out of Africa.
True, sir. True.
Like say that you have given a nice lecture, teacher. So we should have our own method of, our own method of recovery, our own method of cycles. But you have given it. It's very nice. But I want to say that we should not follow the Bulgarians.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
Bulgarians, even there was a world champion and coach with us. I think the Punjarani's knees almost went off. It's thanks that she was operated and she again came back. But I just say that our coaches, young coaches, should not go for the Bulgarian method.
Yes, sir. True,
thank you so much. Your lecture was very nice. You have prepared well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Pal Singh Sandhu, sir. We are thankful for your kind advice, which you have extended because with your experience, we know. And when Sandhu sir was our coach, we were finishing with the Bulgarian coaches and we started with Russian coaches. After that, I think Bulgarian system was, as he said, it was finished from all over the world. So what Pandian has given is an example variation of load. We started. We should not follow somebody's system. We should create our own systematic according to Indian situations, as sir has already advised to our young coaches. So we definitely think this is a very good advice for the coaches in future. They should adopt all these things, and we must promote the Indian Indian sports, particularly weightlifting. So if any other senior people present on the portal wants to speak anything at any of the point, they can give their advice. So because all the coaches in the country now presently joined with this site, it will be beneficial for them with senior coaches experience. They will be benefited out of this. As Sandhu sir has already said many things, and it is a kind advice. We sincerely thank him for his advice. Mr. Nagi sir is also on the portal if you want to speak something.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow is visible, na sir? Tomorrow class, sir. Anam sir.
No, not that.
Yes, sir. Just.
Nagi sir को unmute कर दो.
Sir, they can unmute themselves and speak, sir.
Okay, sir. Please unmute yourself and
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir. Morning, sir.
Very much, very good compliment for all of you, Mr. Hanam Singh and Mr. Pandian, Mr. D.D. Sharma.
Thank you, sir.
Going very good, conducting good lectures. Hanam sir, I have noticed some people are sitting without shirt.
Yes, sir.
They are lying on their bed and just sleeping.
Right, sir.
I have noted down one name, okay. Sadananda Malashetty.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Sadananda Malashetty, he was lying on his bed without shirt.
Oh.
Please appeal everybody to sit in a proper dress.
Right, sir.
Because girls or female coaches are also there in the group attending the lectures.
Yes, sir.
Please announce.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. My colleagues, my friends and senior coaches, I again and again request you that this site is being watched by even our Director General, our Executive Director, now senior coaches present on the portal, and ladies coaches also are there on the portal. So please be in a suitable dress so that you are just like like in system starts gone without noticing all these things. Please make a notice of this thing. Be very, very sincere on this part. Have a good dress, and so that if now Nagi sir has shifted for this thing, so this we are just requesting you for all these things. We are appealing you for all these things. And again, sometimes DG watches this site, then it will be a problem for organizers also and for you people also. So please be little sincere for all these things. It's nothing big thing. For 1 hour you are sitting and you cannot wear a good dress, or you can make a good poster. So please adhere to all these things. And enough slide दिखा दो.
सर अभी है सर उसमें स्लाइड आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. इट इज शेयर किया था. एक मिनट सर.
Okay.
Visible.
So tomorrow again we will be meeting here at 10 o'clock. We are trying to add some new speakers in our classes, and as soon as they will be coming on, we will be informing you for their things. And if anybody wants to say anything, you can. We have still time. You can speak.
Hello.
Want to give any advice? They can speak out, or they want to put any question to the speaker. That also can be done.
Hello.
Anybody wants to speak? Please say anything. You want to raise a question to the speaker, you can ask anything. If you have any doubt on this lecture or whatever we have done till date, you can speak out anything about any the subjects. Okay. Then with this, I think we should close this class today. I am thankful to all the senior coaches present on the portal and for their kind advice, and for you all those who are present on the portal. Again, piece of advice: be safe, stay at your homes. What are the guidelines have been issued by the government of India or the state government where you are staying, or our Sports Authority of India? Please adhere to that. Be safe, look after your families, and so we are surrounding your friends and other people to whom you can help financially or with food and all. You must be kind to all these things. We must all be kind to the humanity in this such type of situation. We all should be helpful to the country. So it's our duty to help the humanity at this time of juncture. Thank you very much. We'll again meet 10 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'll end the meeting.